One of the advantages of the Russian infantry in the War of 1812 was the top-notch captainship. In those days, a more maneuverable infantry column started replacing the traditional infantry moving in a strict formation. These columns could quickly stretch into a line or form a square in front of the attacking cavalry. Since the time of Suvorov, the Russian infantry was the most effective in a massive bayonet attack. Light infantrymen, rangers, fought effectively on stiff terrains. They inspected woods and ravines in search of ambushes, and they could also sneak up upon the enemy and fired on officers. One of the outstanding features of the Russian military training were recruiting depots. There, recruits were trained in shooting information and psychologically prepared for a battle. Habits of country life, low maintenance, unity, mutual help recruits adjust to military life faster. And the just cause of the war of liberation provided a moral advantage.